Hi everyone. In the previous online class, we have read chapter 3rd, A Day with Simba in the Hospital. Today, we will do some activities. Now we start. Respond and reflect. Put a tick right for the correct and a cross for wrong sentence. First, the writer saw Simba for the first time on a road. Right. Simba was hit by a vehicle. Cross. Simba was lying on the road. Cross. The writer was the first one to reach the hospital. Cross. The writer took Simba to the doctor's room. Cross. The vet sent Simba for X-ray. Right. The vet put Simba's limb in a cast. Right. The vet plastered Simba's limb in his office. Cross. Learn new words. Find words from the box which mean the same as the words given below. First, rain fast, bolted, cute, attractive, crying, morning, afraid, frightened, broke, fractured, sleep, snooze. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. Shyam was cycling to his school when he met with an accident. A man on a scooter hit him. He drove fast and vanished from the scene. Shyam was in pain and could not note down the number of the scooter. He got up, limped to a house nearby and rang the doorbell. A young woman came out and took him to a clinic for treatment. Look at the sentences given below. There are two sentences given in your book. First sentence is I left my book on the table. And the second sentence is I will book a ticket for the Shatabdi Express. In the first sentence, the word book has been used as a naming word. So, this book is noun. And the second sentence as an action verb in the second sentence. So, in the second sentence, this book is verb. Now, first I will tell you what is noun and what is verb. Noun is the name of a place, purple, thing or animal. And the verb are action or doing words like do, play, be, laugh, go, etc. words. Look at this. So, in the sentences given below, underline the nouns with a red pen and the words with a blue pen. First, please pack my bag. Pack is a verb because pack is an action word and bag is noun. Bag is a thing. In the next sentence, I have a new pack of cards. Have is a verb and pack of cards. There is a collection of cards, so pack of cards is a noun. Second, the doctor gave him a shot. Doctor is a person, so he is noun. And shot is a thing, so it is noun. And gave him a verb. The hunter shot a bird. Hunter and bird are nouns because hunter and bird are person and shot is verb. Number third. Get me a roll of drawing sheet. Get here refers for verb and a roll of drawing sheet. A roll of drawing sheet, there is a collection of drawing sheet, so it is noun. And the next sentence, don't roll this drawing sheet. Roll is a verb. Roll is an action word, so roll is verb. Drawing sheet is a thing, so drawing sheet is noun. Next, I will set the stage. Stage is a place. So place is noun. And set is action word. So set is verb. And she bought a set of towels. And in the next sentence, bought is a verb. Bought is an action word. So bought is a verb. A set of towels. There are collection of towels. So it is noun. Fifth, the child is sitting on the stage. Child is person. So child is noun. Sit is verb, action verb. The stage is a place. So stage is a noun. Next, the children will stage a drama on the annual day. Children are person, so children is noun. Stage is a verb. Drama is a noun, and annual day is a noun. Next, please note down my telephone number. Note, when not it means write. So write is action word. So not is verb. Telephone number is a thing. So telephone number is noun. I will write him a note. Write is action word. So write is verb and not is noun. Next, John scored 50 runs in the cricket match. John is the name of a person, and noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. So John is noun. Scored it means verb. Run is noun. Cricket match is also noun. Jill runs very fast. Jill is the name of a person, so Jill is noun. And run is action word, doing word, so run is verb. And last, you should work hard. Work is a verb. Can you do this work for me? Do is verb, action word, and work is noun. Learn the language. Use of feel, look with adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. They tell us more about nouns and pronouns. Sometimes we use feel, look before a describing word, adjective. Remember, but you will be remember, feel and look are action words. Examples, I feel tired in the evening and you look tired. Are you alright? Choose words from the box and fill in the blanks. First, she felt hungry, so she ate an apple. Second, Mr. Grill is looking ill. He should go to a doctor. When you have a fever and when you are ill, you go to doctor. Same. Mr. Gill is looking ill. He should go to a doctor. Number third, don't feel bad. You will get better marks next time. Isha felt thirsty after walking in the sun. Children, when you walk in the sun, you feel thirsty. Same. Isha felt thirsty after walking in the sun. Mohit found his lost bicycle, so he is looking very happy. I am feeling excited because tomorrow is my birthday. When your birthday comes, you feel very excited. Yes. I am feeling excited because tomorrow is my birthday. He climbed a cliff, so he is feeling tired. Why are you not smiling? You look sad. Now next, pronouns. What are pronouns? Can you tell me? Pronouns are words used in the place of nouns. We use some special words in place of naming words noun. When we do not want to repeat them, they are called pronouns because they are used in place of naming words. These nouns. Some pairs of sentences are given below. Underline the words used in place of naming words in the second sentence. Second sentence is, one is done for you. First, pick up this bag. Give it to Vishesh. Now, in the first sentence, it is used for bag. So, it is pronoun and bag is noun. Second, that girl is Asha. She is our neighbor's daughter. Asha is the name of a girl. So, Asha, she is used for Asha. Third, Mala is writing a letter to Sonu. He lives in Kota. Who is writing? Mala is writing. And whom? Sonu. Sonu lives in Kota. So he here refers for Sonu. All friends have gone out. They are enjoying their Sunday. All friends, it means all friends are enjoying their Sunday. They here refers for all friends. My mother and I eat only vegetables. We don't eat meat. We किसके लिए यूज हुआ है? We यूज हुआ है यहाँ पे my mother and I. My name is Kitty. I am 7 years old. I it means Kitty. Kitty के लिए यहाँ पे I यूज हुआ है. So I is pronoun. We is pronoun. They, he, she. These are pronouns. Next, Choose the words from the box and fill in the blanks. Her, my, your, his, its, their, or. These are called pronouns because they are used instead of nouns. Noun की जगह जब हम इनका वर्ड यूज करते हैं तो ये प्रोनाउन कहलाते हैं. फर्स्ट, मिस्टर लाल इज आवर क्लास टीचर. दिस इज हिज रूम. हिज किसके लिए यूज हुआ है? मिस्टर लाल. उषा, कैन आई हैव योर पेन प्लीज? योर हेयर रेफर्स फॉर उषा. दिस इज मोनूज पैरट. Its color is green. Its hair refers for Monu's parrot. Parrot के लिए यहाँ पे its use हुआ है. Mr. and Mrs. Iyer live in Swaminagar. Their flat is on the third floor. T will be capital there. Their flat is on the third floor. Their hair refers for Mr. and Mrs. Iyer. Let's hurry now. Our train leaves at 6 o'clock. और किसके लिए use हुआ है? Let's hurry now हमारे लिए. वीना इज वियरिंग हर सिस्टर्स स्वेटर. हर किसके लिए यूज हुआ है? वीना के लिए. वीना, हर हेयर रेफर्स फॉर वीना. माई मदर इज नॉट फीलिंग वेल. आई विल हैव टू टेक हर टू अ डॉक्टर. हर प्रोनाउन इज यूज फॉर माई मदर. नाउ इट्स टर्न टू राइट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. वर्क आंसर ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस ब्रीफली. फर्स्ट, were the writer's wife and children happy to have Simba in their house? What did they do? Answer is yes. The writer's wife and children were happy to have Simba in their house. What did they do? The writer's wife brought some milk in a dish and the writer's children made a soft bed for Simba. Next, did Simba start walking at once? No. Simba did not start walking at once. Next, why was Simba afraid of dogs? Answer is one day a pack of dogs was chasing Simba. He was caught up in a thorny bush. He had injured his right limb. He was bleeding and moaning with pain. So he was afraid of dogs. Now your chapter is complete and you will do and read chapter and do all works in your notebook and book, and we will meet again in the next online class. Thank you.